Hi friends, today we will discussing about the topic Kerala success model for COVID-19 for entire world. Kerala planned before its first case arrival. That planning is well, and Kerala's Chief Health Minister Mrs. Shailaja Teacher held first meeting on the rapid response team. On 24th Jan, team set up a control room and the team instructed the medical officers of its 14 districts for setup of measures. The first is arrival from Wuhan. The state adopted World Health Organization protocol of test, trace and support. When the outbreak started, each district dedicated 2 hospitals for COVID-19 and medical college set up 500 beds for these conditions and prepare a separate entrance and exit. They reserved for the patients with symptomatic and their close contacts and prepare the random sampling of the asymptomatic peoples and their most exposed groups like police and health workers and volunteers. And the screening all arrivals. Kerala prepare the screening all arrival and conduct screening all arrival of international airport. Since the issuing of initial COVID-19 alert on Jan 18, the state screened all arrival of its international airports. Immediately hospitalized or quarantined the suspected cases. On February 4, the Kerala declares COVID-19 as a state level disaster and followed by the shutdown schools and restricted public gathering and institutionalized lockdown. And Kerala formula has been straightforward. What is about Kerala? We all already know that the experience of the Kerala Nipah situations is very important factor for their success. The past experience of Nipah, they adopted good strategies like district-wide centers, district-wide curfews, and relentless contact tracing, and quarantine 1,000 potential carriers. The same strategy is used to fight the COVID-19 situation now. Another important factor is about the Kerala. Kerala population is 35 millions, about 35 millions, and their GDP per capita is only 2,200, and highest life expectancy and lower infant mortality, and highest most literacy rate like 95% of literacy, and widespread access of the education. Understanding of the health being is important to the well-being of the people. That is very important factors of about Kerala. More empowered movement, that is the strength of Kerala. The strong welfare supports, and the pupils do not starve in Kerala. And about 70% of its population lives in elsewhere, like in abroad, and their remittance account for 35% of the state annual income. More than 1 million tourists visit each year into Kerala, and most of students, thousands above students study abroad, like in China or other countries. This is overview of the about Kerala. What is the blessings of Kerala? We know that the background of the Kerala and the blessing of the Kerala is leading to this success. What is the blessing of Kerala? The first one is right bearing of citizens and good governance and good administrations and good opposition, good state government and educated populations and good administrations and social support and competitive government and opposition and social democracy and well media Well-developed media is also one of the blessing of the Kerala. The right-based citizens, they offers a universal access to the state government offers a universal access to the health care and medical informations. The peoples respect all residents, and the Kerala educated populace behave a responsive mechanism for this COVID condition. They limiting the community transmissions very clearly and cooperating with the authorities. That is one of the important success factor of the Kerala. Another one is Kerala benefits from the long legacy of the investment in public health, particularly in the primary health case, with strong and decentralized management and institutionalized reach from the city ward to the remote village, and abundance of skilled personals. This is all the one of the important another factor for the successing of the COVID-19 situation. Kerala state government and oppositions are similarly energetic. From the CM and its top elected officials disseminated information to the village level committees, and they set up a hand washing stations in every bus stops and other places, and 60,000 team call centers for helping the peoples, and ensure the food and medical care for to quarantine people, ensure and food and shelter to the migrant workers. This is one of the blessings given by the state government and oppositions. The opposition done their duty for rectifying their mistakes of state government in COVID pandemic situation. Both state government and the opposition done their work together in this pandemic situation. And the social supports. Kudumbashree, one of the Kudumbashree, the local organization of women self-help group, they produce 2 million and more masks and 500-liter more hand sanitizer in this time of national lockdown. They share 3 lakh meals to the vulnerable peoples and migrant workers and unemployed peoples. This is another one, community kitchen. 1,200 community kitchens are prepared by governments and other social peoples for sharing the meals to others. And good administration like authorities and district collectors, they done their duties very well. And social democracy and competitive political system, free and independent media. Medias share their informations to the peoples, and they rectify their state government mistakes and give information about all details. And the vibrant civil societies and right-based welfare system, and the Kerala spend architecture creating the infrastructure to support social development. And their institutional and political culture is all are the blessings of the Kerala government. These all blessings helped Kerala government to fight the COVID-19. And Kerala is God's own country. One person is said the Kerala is God's own country. Now the words are exposed. Kerala formula has been straightforward, and it achieving such an impressive result. Kerala has built in its own way for decentralized. On this time, Kerala in this impressions result, Kerala has built on its way for decentralized governance and transparency and public trust and government accountability. It all gives the best lesson for the world for for responding the current crisis and preparing for the next one.